Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make toffee for cookies. Begin by lining a tray and measuring 1 cup butter, 1 cup sugar, and a pinch of salt. Melt and stir gently in a heavy pan until the mixture turns amber and reaches about 250 degrees F. Then pour onto the tray and cool before breaking into shards for cookies. Use a candy thermometer and avoid stirring once color develops to prevent crystallization and ensure glassy texture. Warm tip: let toffee cool completely before chopping to avoid sticky messes and uneven pieces that melt into the dough. Chill cookie dough slightly so the toffee keeps texture while baking, then fold in 1/4 to 1/2-inch chunks. Bake on a lined sheet and watch for golden edges. The toffee will add crunch and caramel pockets without collapsing cookies when handled gently and baked at the right temperature. If your toffee browns too quickly, reduce heat and stir constantly to avoid burning. High heat creates bitter flavors and uneven texture. For grainy toffee, briefly reheat with a splash of water to dissolve sugar crystals and finish to the proper temperature. Let toffee cool completely before adding to dough, and store finished cookies in an airtight container at room temperature to maintain crisp edges and chewy center.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.